Welcome to Bible Class for Kids. We have finished number 9, Jesus Heals a Paralytic. In today's lesson and Create a Page, we're going to visit Jesus in the synagogue where Jesus asked the Pharisees and scribes, "Is it right to do good or bad on the Sabbath?" You can find this inexpensive combined lesson and Create a Page at BibleClassForKids.com on the drop-down menu, Miracles of Jesus. Today's Create a Page uses a handprint to hold the labels, so you will need a marker in addition to the instruction page and the printed labels. So let's get started. I'm going to start by cutting a 6x6 square. Don't forget to check your orientation on the way that you would like your page to be shown. However, on this page, you could turn it however you wanted to because this is a single page craft. Now let's work with our labels. There are 2 sets of labels on this page, and we're going to cut them out. I always cut the outside edges. These are made for paper trimmers, but scissors and glue is basic all you need for Bible Class for Kids Create a Pages. Of course, there are hundreds of different types of adhesives and different cutters to cut paper. Now, if you'll notice on this side of the finger labels, you can just cut a strip right here and then cut your pieces apart. However, because the edges are circles, you can either do it circles or you can do it squares. So I'm going to cut this edge. Then I'm going to apply my double stick tape to the back, and you can see that I have printed on a piece of paper that has already had printing on it. The back side doesn't matter because the labels will be glued down. Now, after I have got my tape put on the back, I'm going to take the longest lines, or the longest fingertips, and I'm just going to cut on the side of those. And now I can cut in between each label. I'm going to continue to cut. Now, you do not have to cut the round edges, but I'm going to, in my demonstration. Now, our kit contains of the base page and the labels and 1 memory verse card. And that is our kit. Now let me show you how to put the kit together. We have to choose which side we would like to put our handprint on. I think I will do the purple side. I'm going to take a magic marker, and I'm simply going to lay my hand on the page and draw around my hand. And any of your students will be able to do this. And that completes our base page. We're going to start with the title label of the lesson, Jesus Heals a Withered Hand. Next, we're going to put on the main characters. After the main characters, we're going to want the key verse. And after the key verse, we want the words to live by. In our thumb is our passage label. And all is left is our series label. And that completes number 10, Jesus Heals a Withered Hand. In your Create a Page, we always give a memory verse card. Don't forget to use these memory verse cards. There are lots of contests that you can do for memorization. But today I'm also going to put a small paper clip on my page so the kids can take it home. Don't forget to join us in number 11, Jesus raises a widow's son in Nain. This is the first that we see Jesus raising from the dead. And this is such a neat little page as it just tucks in a little tab. I'll see you next time. Thank you.